Hi, this is Aditi from Data's Good, and I thank you for joining us today. One of the fundamental questions a person will ask before they learn to code is, what is HTML? Without HTML, the web wouldn't exist as we know it. Every time we go online, whether we know it or not, HTML is most likely present. So here we will explain some of the fundamental concepts of HTML. What does HTML stand for? HTML stands for HyperText Markup Language. That might mean very little to you right now, but it plays its parts in every web page, which means it's pretty important. Now let me explain more. HTML creates the structure for each page that we use and view. It's the HTML that adds in page breaks, paragraphs, bold lettering, italics, and more. This structure is defined by using tags that tell the text what to do. For example, to make a word appear bold, we put that word between the following tags: strong, bold, strong. The first tag indicates the start of the words that we want to bold, and the closing tag indicates where we want the bold to stop. It's the basis for pretty much every page on the web. If you're learning to code, this is the place to start. What is HTML used for? Let's compare HTML to the human form. HTML is what gives a skeleton to all of our features. It supports the head and the body of a person. To give a clearer understanding of this, CSS, which means cascading style sheets, would be what gives us our features, like the color of our eyes, skin, and hair. And JavaScript would be to do with our movements and how we interact with people, like when we reciprocate a handshake, wink, laugh, or ask a question. HTML5. HTML5 is the most recent version of HTML. With each version comes new abilities, etc. However, it's ever advancing and evolving. HTML5 offers more functionality. For example, it can support audio and video using the relevant tags audio and video. It is supported by all new browsers like Chrome, Safari, Mozilla, etc. It's easier to use. It works better on mobile devices. How HTML works? HTML tags. Everybody should learn the basics of HTML. It is a crucial technology for all industries to help you in making a brighter career ahead on 2022. Come and join us in this journey. We've got great mentors and career counselors who will make sure that you choose the right path and shine in the field of emerging technologies. So I hope this was good enough for you to get excited about a career in the world of endless opportunities of technology. And yes, do not forget to like and share and subscribe to our channel. Also, you'll find our Facebook and Instagram page link in the description. We upload new content every day. Make sure to follow us there too. Goodbye. This is Aditi signing off.